everyone! Good evening! For our Learn Ilocano tonight, let's learn how to say what's that and what are those in Ilocano. So let's start! Next video clip here is my mom eating a cucumber. Actually, she have two, but let's just focus on this one cucumber. So, I saw her and I asked her, what is that? Anya dayta? Anya dayta? In, nya, dayta, dayta, dayta or that, and inya is what? Some say it or pronounce it as inya, and there's some that pronounce it as Anya. Anya dayta? What is that? Anya dayta?
Pipino daytoy.
I asked my mom, what is that? Anya dayta? And she said, this is a cucumber. Pipino daytoy. Cucumber is pipino in Ilocano, and daytoy or this. Pipino daytoy. Pi-pi-no daytoy. Pipino daytoy, or this is a cucumber. Now here, we're talking about the two cucumbers, and I asked my mom, what are those? Or inya dagita? Inya dagita? Dagita? What are those? And she said, these are cucumbers, or pipino dagitoy. Dagitoy. Pipino dagitoy. These are cucumbers. Mama inya dagita?
Pipino dagitoy.
Naimas?
Yun
And looks like the cucumbers are really good, so I asked my mom, Naimas, are they good or delicious? Naimas? Na-i-mas? And she said, one, or yes. And adding like what she said, one that means yes, of course, or in Tagalog, oo, syempre, syempre. One yes, of course, or if you just want to say yes, just say one. So, that's it for tonight, and on our next video, let's learn how to say or how to ask, what is this and what are these in Ilocano? Okay, that's it for tonight. Bye. And also on how to say the 5W questions in Ilocano, you can click below for the link, or you can check the link on top. That's it. Bye.